Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 26th. It is 7:33 in the morning and I'm heading to Walmart. I got my first order of $21. Some of you might say, hey Slavik, we haven't seen you for a couple of days. You guys can hear my voice. Allergies has not been great to me here. There's some marriage-related problems as well that I'm trying to deal with, so maybe I'll share with you guys down the road. But trying to work things out. When I'm going home, I'm not sure yet. This can happen any day of the week. As soon as I feel like it's getting to a point where I might not be able to drive much longer, I'll hit the road and try to get out of this environment. My allergies usually start with sinuses, then it hits my eyes, and then my inside, the lips of the eyes turn red, which, based on taking a bunch of stuff, they were already red right now. If you guys can see, they're back to pinkish. That's where I want to keep them. As long as they're pinkish, I'm good, but if they start going red and they start getting blisters inside, I'll eventually get pus coming out of my eyes and I won't be able to walk because it'll feel like blades are inside. So, end of the day, I'll be honest, if I have a chance to work, I can make some money down here better than at home. Plus, I am in town, so I don't do any commute here. So that's actually a big plus, and I'm actually jealous of you that live in your own towns where you dash, because that's a huge savings. For me, I didn't even realize how big of a saving it is until I started doing it here in Meridian where my parents live. So I am in Meridian, Idaho, for those of you who do not know. I'm doing primarily Walmart. I have tried DoorDash, I have tried Uber, and both of the apps allow me to dash in a different state. So keep in mind when you do travel, and if you do not have taxi, Uber taxi service activated on your phone, you will be able to dash in other states. If you have Uber taxi, because of the regulation of the regions, you will not be able to at least taxi. You might be able to do Uber Eats. That is something I'm not sure. I just want to bring that up to you guys. Grubhub, no luck whatsoever. I have a few other apps. None of them gave me any other luck as well. I do try to spend time with my daughter, and those days that I spend time with my daughter, either I'm not able to dash at all, or even Spark. And some days, like yesterday, I made 93 bucks. That's about all I've been able to make. Today I have an appointment with my CPA to resolve a certain issue with IRS. So not sure how this day going to roll out as well, because my daughter is out of school around 1:40. And like to go out and spend time with her again, so we'll see. One thing also, you guys noticed I've been trying out various different cameras. You guys noticed various different videos. I will be readjusting and trying to find that sweet spot of comfortability. The cameras that so far I tried were not exactly as friendly as I wanted to be. Like the first camera I ordered was the EK or EL, something like that, 7000. Came back where everything was recording in pink. Shipped it out, they sent me a second one. Turns out that camera, every time I replace a battery, it resets the time. So I have to constantly reset the time on the camera. So what I did again is I ordered a Brave 7, which is almost top of the line of the company. Camera was great. Problem was the remote was defective. Problem has been that when I started recording, I ran into a situation where I had to use 2 cameras to record, one the road, one when I'm doing deliveries, which I wear it on myself. And then when it came down to editing, it was also almost impossible. Also, every recording was a separate clip, so I have to assemble that, and my laptop that I have on me was just too much work. So then I ordered a something like this that actually holds my cell phone. So I wear it, and it holds the cell phone at an angle. And I'm seeing, and also the software that I'm using, I cannot tell you guys right off the head. But give me a minute, I should be. I got Filmmaker for editing. Filmic Pro. So so the Filmic Pro app allows me to pause the video and restart the video. This is something I'll be doing today. Also, I put in a 500 gig flash card on my phone, so I should be able to have no problems recording, pausing, recording, and then I can, instead of adding editing multiple clips, I can cut it up on my phone, on my laptop, as where I need it, and you also even do that on my phone through the app Filmmaker, and achieve the results. So we'll see how it plays out. But again, over the next week or so, you guys will see the experiment. One issue that I did find out with that I still need to watch some YouTube videos, and figure out how I can have it set up where autofocus and auto lighting, because it seems like if I hit the camera where I want it to focus the auto light, it will adjust. Otherwise, looks like it's manual focus, because it's a high-end professional app for those that take recording. So I'm not sure does it have a auto function. So just some updates to you guys. So I will do some more recordings of pickups and drop-offs. I have an appointment till 10, so that means I can make deliveries till about 9:15, because a half-hour drive to downtown Boise for me. So I should be able to get 2 deliveries into this video, and possibly have an opportunity to add it and have it sent out to you guys to watch tonight. So guys, be blessed, be successful, and remember, you guys are the only ones in control of what you choose, what you take, and what you make. So be blessed.